Here's a little advice on installing safety breakers, the GFCI or ground fault breakers. You only need one per circuit. This garage I'm in has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you've got no power in the garage, because you don't know how it's wired up, any of them could be blown. You only need one at the beginning of the circuit, which is probably this one. And if you wire it according to the instructions, you can wire it so it protects everything else downstream from it. Plus, these things are $15 each versus $1 for a regular outlet, and they're more difficult to wire. So if you're adding GFIs or replacing GFIs, you just need one at the head of the circuit, the upstream, the one closest to the electric panel. Save your money, save your time.